Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment, get the device connected, and the build toolchain ready. Once done, make sure the Android version matches your app target and that you have at least 100 MB free. This avoids install failures. If using a physical device, enable developer options and USB debugging, then trust the computer. Install or update the Android SDK and Java runtime, and confirm build tools are present. This ensures your first build will run instead of failing on missing components. You now build and deploy the app. Start a clean build to catch issues early. If you see compile errors, read the stack trace and fix them. Missing imports and resource ID are common. Once the debug APK is produced, use the debug key store for quick testing or sign a release build when ready. Then deploy using a db install rpath/to/app, or run directly from Android Studio. This installs the package and starts the main activity for live testing. You finish by verifying functionality and stability, test startup, login, and the critical user flows while watching Logcat for exceptions. Make sure background tasks and permissions behave as expected, and check performance metrics like CPU and memory to catch leaks. If you hit a crash, reproduce it, gather logs and steps, then clear app data and retry. Often a reinstall or device reboot helps. One key troubleshooting tip: if installs fail, run a db uninstall package. Name first to remove signature conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.